Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So today we are going to be making something very refreshing and delicious. So for this Christmas season, you want to cut down on taking soda, taking fizzy drinks. Just have this as an alternative and you will not miss out at all. So here is watermelon and we are going to be blending it up with ginger and lemon. Have you tried it before? If you haven't, let me tell you that it's so refreshing and cool and very nice. Just add a bit of ginger to your preferred taste. Then the lemon also. Add to your desired taste also. So I have two. I use two for this because the watermelon is not too big. It's the medium sized watermelon, but if you have a bigger watermelon, you should add more lemon so that you can feel that lemon taste mixed with the watermelon and just blends perfectly. You won't even miss taking fizzy drinks at all. Just give this a try and let me know in the comment section what you think. Prepare these few days to Christmas, like today or tomorrow. Okay, let me say like tomorrow. Just prepare it and store it in your freezer so that on that Christmas day, when others are taking their fizzy drinks, just bring out your own like this and enjoy. So that's what I said share with you people today. It's very straightforward, it's very easy, and just enjoy the video. Please, if you are seeing my video for the first time, please click the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, you'll be the first to know. And if you are just subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and let me know in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So when it's fully blended, I had to grate the ginger so that, because watermelon is very easy to blend, so that the ginger can blend also. Just pour it in your sieve, and if you don't have this sieve, use a mesh cloth. That is the one you use for account filter pap. You can use that to filter it, but this does the job. Thank you all so much for watching my videos throughout this vlogmas, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.